You see this problem. A receptionist at an office received average 3 telephone calls. Average 3 calls means it is mean. Okay, 3 is the mean. And calls between 10 a.m. to 10:05 means in 5-minute time. In a 5-minute time, she received average 3 calls. Find the probability that on a particular day, she does not receive any call. She does not receive any call means number of calls is 0. Okay, that is the x value. So in this first question, x value is 0. So you calculate the probability of x is equal to 0. And second question, she received at least 2 calls. At least 2 calls means 2 or more than 2 calls. 2 or more than 2 calls. Okay. So this second question cannot be solved directly because 2 or more than 2 means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like that you have to calculate all the values. It is difficult to calculate, therefore we have to make the complementary of that. Okay, so the complementary of at least 2 means 2 or more than 2 is the first numbers 0 and 1 are the complementary. 0 and 1 are the complementary of 2 and more. Okay, so out of total probability 1, you deduct the probability of 0 value and 1 value. 1 call and 0 calls, and then you will get the answer. Okay, so this is the Poisson distribution equation, and mean value is 3. Therefore, you take the first question. First question is, she does not receive any call. Any call means call value is 0. Call value is 0. X is equal to 0. Okay. So in this probability equation, you write x value 0, mean value 3. So e raised to minus 3, 3 raised to 0 divided by 0 factor. So 0 factorial is 1 value, 3 raised to 0 is 1. So these two will not affect on the solution. Therefore, I'll write probability of 0 raised to 0 is equal to e raised to minus 3. E raised to minus 3 remains. So e raised to minus 3 value you have to ascertain. Okay. E raised to minus 3. Minus 3 value is already shown. Its value is 0.0498. Okay, this is the probability value. Okay, this is the first question answer. And second question is, she received at least 2 calls. At least 2 call means 2 or more than 2. So it is, you have to make complementary. So x is greater than 1. Greater than 1 means your required number is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. So not required is complementary. So that value is less than 1. Less than 1 is greater than 1 is required. Therefore, less than 2 is not required. Less than 2 is not required. So, probability of x is greater than 1 is complementary of probability of x is less than 2. Less than 2. If you solve this statement, you will get the answer. So, probability of x is greater than 1 is equal to 1 minus probability of x is equal to 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1. Okay, you put x value 0 one time, and the second time you put x value 1. So the values are e raised to minus 3, 3 raised to 0, x value 0, divided by 0 factor. E raised to minus 3, 3 raised to 1, x value is 1, divided by 1 factor. Okay. And in the next question solution, e raised to minus 3 value is 0.0498. This is the clear one, because this will not affect, these two terms will not affect. This is these two will not affect. Therefore, you take the value of e raised to minus 3. First one. In the second case, e raised to minus 3. 3 raised to 1 means 3. So 0.0498 into 3. Okay. You solve this, then probability of x is greater than 1 is equal to 1 minus 0.0498 plus 0.1494. This is the value. If you solve this, if you take the total, then probability of x is greater than 1 is equal to 1 minus 0.1992. So its answer is probability of x is greater than 1 is equal to 0.8008. This is the answer. If you want to write in descriptive way, you write C probability of receiving at least 2 calls is 0.8008. This is the answer. Okay. Now you see the next problem. You see the next problem. In this problem, a box has 300 pins. In a box, there are 300 pins. If on an average 1% pin is defective, average is given in percentage. Average is given in percentage. Therefore, you calculate the mean value. So, mean value is 300 pins are there in a box, 1% of 300. 1% of 300 is 3. So, mean you calculate 300 into 1%. Then find the probability that the box has at least one defective. At least one defective means one or more than one. So x value is 1 or more than 1. That is, x is greater than 0. X is greater than 0. So you make the complementary and deduct not required. In the second question, more than 3 defective. More than 3 defective means 4, 5, 6 and above. 4 and above numbers probability. So that is also not possible. Second question also not possible to solve directly. So you apply the complementary, indirectly complementary. Okay, so you see this. Probability of x raised to e raised to minus mean raised to x divided by x factorial. This is the Poisson equation. So mean is equal to 1% of 300. 1% of 300 is equal to 3. Okay. Then you write the first question. Probability that at least one defective pin. Probability that at least one defective pin is equal to x is greater than 0. At least one means 0 is not required. Okay, so less than greater than 0. X value is greater than 0. So probability of x is greater than 0 is complementary of free from defect. Free from defect means no defect. Free from defect means no defect. So probability of x is greater than 0 is equal to 1 minus probability of 0. Okay, so probability of x is greater than 0 is equal to 1 minus probability of e raised to minus 3, 3 raised to 0. 3 raised to 0, x value 0 divided by 0 factorial. So e raised to probability of x is greater than 0 is equal to 1 minus e raised to minus 3. E raised to minus 3. So you see the minus 3 value in your Poisson table. I will show the Poisson table. You see this. This is the Poisson table. This is the mean value. Mean value, this is the mean value. And e raised to minus mean, you see in the second column. So your required number is 3. It starts from 0 1, 2, 3, 4 to 1.2 like that. Here is the 3 number. 3 number value is 0.0498. Okay, you take this value. So e raised to minus 3 is equal to 0.0498. So probability of x is greater than 0 is equal to 0.9502. It is the probability of getting at least one defective. At least one defective. This is the point you remember. And second question is greater than. Second question is probability of more than 3 defective. More than 3 defective means x value is greater than 3. X value is greater than 3. So probability of x is greater than 3 is complementary of less than 4 defective. Less than 4 defective. Therefore, probability of x is greater than 3 is equal to 1 minus probability of x is less than 4. So this is the equation for less than 4. Probability of x is greater than 3 is equal to 1 minus probability of x value 0, probability of x value 1, probability of x value 2, probability of x value 3. These are the complementaries. Okay. These 4 complementaries you deduct from 1, you will get the more than 3 defects. More than 3 defects probability. Okay. So you fill the values. X value 0, 1, 2, 3. X value 0, 1, 2, 3. And expectation of x value 3. Mean is 3. Okay, mean is 3. Then if you fill the values 0, 1, 2, 3, this is the solution. Then if you simplify this, 1 minus e raised to 3, first equation value, e raised to 0 divided by 0 factor, that will not affect. And if you take the second equation, e raised to 3, 3 raised to 1 is 3. So e raised to 3 into 3 divided by 1. And next is e raised to minus 3, 3 raised to 3 is equal to 9. 3 raised to 2 is equal to 9. So e raised to 3 into 9 divided by 2. The next is e raised to minus 3, 3 raised to 3 divided by 3 factor means e raised to 3 into 27. 3 raised to 3 means 27. 3 into 2 into 1. Okay. If you simplify this, e raised to, 1 minus e raised to minus 3 value is 0.0498. This is as per Poisson table. Already I shown. Second value, e raised to minus 3, 0.0498 into 3. Divided by 1 will not affect. Plus e raised to minus 3 value 0.0498 into 9 divided by 2. Next e raised to minus 3 value is 0.0498 into 27 divided by 6. Okay. If you simplify this, e raised to 1 minus 0.0498 first one. Second one product. Second product is 0.1494. Then fourth term value. Fourth term value 0.0498 into 9 divided by 3 is equal to 0.2241. Plus fourth is 0.0498 into 27 divided by 6. Its value is also same, 0.2241. If you take the total of this, its value is 1 minus 0.6474. 6474 is the value. If you deduct it, its value is probability of x is greater than 3 is equal to 0.3526. So more than three mistake, more than three defects. More than three defect pins, probability is 0.3526. This is the answer. Come to the next question. Example number 37. In this problem, on an average, a box contains 2 defective items. In a box, 2 are defective. Mean. Average means mean. On an average, a box contains 2 defective items means 2 items are defective. 2 items are defective. Calculate the probability of 3 defective items. 3 defective items. They ask to calculate the probability of 3 defective. 3 defective means X value is 3. If X value is 3, what is probability? This is the first question. And second question is 4 defective items. 4 defective items means 4 are defective. X value is 4. So you take X value 3 and you take X value 4, solve the problem. Okay, you see here. Poisson distribution equation. Probability of X is equal to e raised to minus mean raised to X divided by X factorial. And mean is equal to 2. First question, probability of 3 defective items. 3 defective item, direct question is there. Only 3. So X value is equal to 3. X value is equal to 3. And you put the X value 3, mean value 2 and ascertain the answer. Mean value 2, X value 3, put in the equation and ascertain the answer. So if you put probability of X is equal to 3, e raised to minus 2, 2 raised to 3 divided by 3 factorial is equal to e raised to 2 value is, you see here, e raised to 2 value, e raised to 2 first column, 2 is here. This is the 2. 2's value is 0.1353. 1353 value is there. You take that value. Okay. 0.1353. And 2 raised to 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. 3 factor means 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to 0.1353 into 8 divided by 6. Its value is, probability of X is equal to 3 is equal to 0.1804. 1804. Okay. This is the first question answer. 3 defective. Next question is probability of 4 defective. So X value is 4. X value is 4. So probability of X is equal to 4 is equal to e raised to minus 2, 2 raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial. Okay. E raised to minus 2 value is 0.1353. And 2 raised to 4 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 divided by 4 factorial is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to 0.1353 into 16 divided by 24 is equal to probability of X is equal to 4 is equal to 0.0902. 902. This is the answer. Probability of 4 defective items. 4 defective item is 0.0902. This is the answer. Okay. Come to the next question. You see this. On an average, 1 in every 50 walls manufactured by a firm is substandard. Okay. For every 50, 1 is substandard. 1 is substandard. 1 is substandard in every 50 items. Remember this. For every 50 items, 1 is substandard. This is the average. And if valves are supplied in a pack of 20 each, In a box, there are 20 walls. Okay. 20 walls are there in a box. So n value is 20. N value is 20. Then how many of the lot of 1000 packets, in 1000 packets, would you expect substantial walls? Okay. For every 50 walls, one is substandard. For every 50, one is substandard. Then in a box, 20 are there. In a box, 20 are there. Therefore, you have to calculate average for 20 items. 20 items average you have to calculate. Then total packets are 1000. That is the capital N. 1000 packets are there. In the 1000 packets, how many packets are do you expect substandard value, substandard walls? Okay, that means substandard walls. How many packets are having substandard walls? If there is one substandard, that is substandard. If all are substandard, that packet is substandard. Our question is, the packet is substandard. Packet is substandard means, in a packet there is a substandard wall. In a packet there is a substandard wall means, if there is one substandard, the packet is substandard. If two are there, substandard. Three are there, substandard. If all the walls are substandard, that packet is substandard. So it is possible, it is not possible to calculate directly. Therefore, you calculate the complementary. They are asked substandard packets. So the total probability is 1. Out of the total probability, you deduct the probability of non-substandard packets. Non-substandard packet. No, that means there is no substandard wall. Okay. So if you calculate this, you will get the answer. First, this is the Poisson equation. Poisson equation, and calculate the mean. Mean is equal to 1 by 50. For every 50 items, one is substandard. And there are 20 items in a packet. 20 walls are there in a packet. For 20, the mean value is okay. So mean is 1 by 50 into 20 is equal to 0.4. Mean value 0.4. Then probability of expecting substandard walls is complementary of non-substandard walls. Expecting substandard wall. If you are expecting substandard, substandard means not up to the mark. Okay. If all are substandard, substandard, one is substandard, substandard. Okay. So you are bifurcating substandard. Out of all the packets, if you take the non-substandard packet separately, then remaining is substandard. Therefore, you make the complementary. Therefore, probability of X is greater than 0. 0 means substandard value 0. Substandard value 0. Okay, substandard value 0. 1, 2, 3 are required. More than 0 is required. Therefore, out of probability of 1, you deduct the probability of X is equal to 0. 0 means substandard value 0. Substandard 0 means no substandard. No substandard means all are quality product. So probability of X is greater than 0 is equal to 1 minus probability of e raised to minus 0.4. 0.4 raised to 0 divided by 0 factor is equal to 0. X is greater than 0 is equal to 1 minus e raised to minus 0.4. If you see that value 0.4, you see the 0.4 value. 0.4 value is 0.6703. 6703 is the value. You write it value. Okay, you write the value. 1 minus 0.6703 is equal to 0.03297. So probability of this is 0.3297. One probability. Probability is this. Number of expected substandard walls in 1000 packets is equal to probability of X is equal to 0 into n, number of packets you multiply. So therefore 0.0297 into 1000 is equal to 329.7. So 330 packets nearly. 330 packets nearly defective. Defective. This is the point you remember.